Hiroshi Tamaki here. And look at this. You see those sparkly things? That's rain. And it's sunny out. If you're scared, say, what? And if you're not scared, say, where's the rainbow? And I'm kind of scared about what's about to happen. Is there going to be like thunder? Is this how all rainstorms are going to be now with the sun out, but it's going to actually rain and thunder and lightning? Yeah. So I don't know. It's sunny and it's raining at the same time, so I think Mother Nature is broken. Mother Nature broke. Mother Nature broke. Broken. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. This has been Hiroshi Tamaki, and peace out. Why is it raining and sunny at the same time? What the fuck?